to that silence only snowfall makes. Radio crackling with the news, we'd wait for days. School's closed, mama smiling at the door. Boots by the heater, snow piled to the porch. Lay it up like a walking laundry pile. Couldn't bend my knees, but I didn't mind. We'd hit the hill before the sun was high. Whole neighborhood out there ready to fly. Back then we were bulletproof and brave. Didn't know about ice packs and Bengay. Oh, snow day, take me back again to sledding down the quarry with my reckless friends. Skating on the pond till our fingers turned blue. Tunneling through drifts like we had nothing to lose. Snowball fights that'll knock you sideways. Laughing so hard we forgot the pain. Now I throw my back out just the same. But I'd give anything for one more snow day. Built a fort taller than my dad. Packed that snow like little engineers gone mad. Carved out windows, secret icy halls, defending our kingdom from flying snowballs. Try to jump, we probably shouldn't have tried. Hit that ramp like we were born to glide. I can still feel that frozen ground in my tailbone with a thunderous sound. Got up laughing, brushed off the sting. These days if all we need is sling. Oh, snow day, take me back again to sledding down the quarry with my reckless friends. Skating on the pond till our fingers turn blue. Spinning in circles like we always do. Snow angels flat on aching backs. Didn't know about muscle relaxers and heating packs. Now it's brain and shoulder, just tying my legs. But I'd give anything for that snow day. Mama yelling, hot chocolate's ready. Steam on the windows, hands finally steady. Boots by the fire, socks on the grate. Snow melting off in a little puddle lake. Outside the world was quiet and wide. Inside we were safe and warm and bright. Funny how a little ice and snow still feels like home all these years ago. Oh, snow day, time slips away. Now I watch my grandkids race their sleighs. I want them careful, they roll their eyes, just like we did back in 80's.